G'day everybody, how you going? Hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're down here at Blanche Point, only a couple of k's away from Aldinga Beach, here in South Australia, about 40 minutes from Adelaide, pretty close to the CBD, really. We're going to go out and explore around this whole place. Something interesting to see. I came here about 3 weeks ago and I'll show you in a minute. All right, let's go. So I came down here about 3 weeks ago, like I said, and I got to about this point on the point. I got to here and I stopped and did a bit of recording just here, and I never walked around the corner. And that while ago, I wish I had walked around the corner. So I'll take you around there now. It's just quite awesome. Have a look. It's like a private beach. Big cliffs, no one can come near you. More big points. I think they call that gull rock, sticking out the end as well. And it's a perfect day to be out and about. Walking up off these tracks from the beach, it's such tiring work. It's like straight up, and it goes forever too. Oh, I'm pretty knackered. Still got a fair bit to go. Up there, and then all the way back up to that top part over there. All right. Just walking over from the car park, going over to where the top of the point is. It's only about a 50-metre walk to the lookout at the top there. Early morning sun on the cliffs and the formations of the erosion. Looks really, really cool. Hope the reds come out really well. This place still amazes me so much. I mean, have a look where I'm standing. I'm like right on the tipping point. You've got to be careful because it's pretty sketchy. Right up here, look at that. Pretty sketchy. Good, probably 100 foot. Hope you can see it, but there's about I don't know, 5-10 dolphins just out here at the moment, just cruising along. Hope the GoPro can see it. They're just going over the reef just down there. That looks cool. I'm dying of thirst. I need to head back up the car and get a drink. Alright, that's Blanche Point, in between Aldinga Beach and Maslin's Beach, back over that way as well. Pretty treacherous joint, bit scary when you're standing right up on top of these cliffs and stuff, but it's another interesting place, love it. Rightio, let's go. Had a good time here. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one, okay? Thanks for watching. More to come.